Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Praful Bele and I'm from collegedunia.com. Very warm welcome to you on our interview series, which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview various dignitaries such as the owners, directors, and HODs of various universities and colleges. Before starting this interview, I would request you to kindly give a brief introduction about yourself and then we can proceed ahead with the interview.
Good afternoon, Praful. My name is Dr. Pragati Goyal. I am designated as an MCA HOD over here. I have had an experience of more than 18 years in academia and I have been associated with this college for the past 17 years.
Ma'am, that was really great to hear about your introductory part. Now let's go to the first question of this interview series, and that is, being the HOD of the MCA department of Sterling Institute of Management Studies, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
As an HOD of MCA department, it is my role to ensure comprehensive development of the students by giving them a conducive environment. And to develop competent IT professionals, it is my responsibility to provide them with the knowledge and exposure of latest tools and technologies.
Do you have any extracurricular activities that enhance the skill sets of the students and expose them to the real world challenges?
Yes, we do conduct a lot of extracurricular activities throughout the year. Some of the activities are like Arohan, and Radiance, our technical fest, our annual fest, our sports fest, and other cultural activities. And here, all the activities are being managed by the students where they get an exposure and they can enhance their skills like communication, leadership, team building, etc. Apart from this, we also ask them to participate in inter-college events and national level events like hackathons and marathons.
How does the curriculum of Sterling Institute of Management Studies ensure that the students are being prepared for the future?
The current MCA curriculum is being designed by keeping in mind the requirement of the industry. We do create an environment of teamwork and we encourage the students to compete. Apart from this, we do conduct a lot of training and workshops on latest technologies.
How do you try to bring in a practical approach to the subjects and make them more industry oriented?
The current MCA curriculum is based on outcome-based learning and project-based learning. After every semester, the student has to go through certain mini projects, and the entire fourth semester is internship which they have to do in the industry. Apart from this, we have also incorporated certain online courses like SWAM, NPTEL, and MOOC to make the students industry ready.
What are the interventions and approaches you bring and apart from the curriculum to train and teach the students?
Apart from the curriculum, we do conduct a lot of aptitude and soft skills training to make the students employable. Plus, we conduct a lot of mock interviews and constant alumni sessions are there to make the students aware about the latest technologies. Separate training and placement officer sessions are being incorporated in the timetable. We offer them internationally recognized Burlington English certification to increase their employability.
What do you see as the greatest strengths of Sterling Institute of Management Studies?
For me, I can say that we shape technocrats who are ready to be absorbed in the industry. They are skilled and knowledgeable, and also they can exercise their professional duties, social and environmental duties.
Any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Yeah, I will ask them to be curious about everything and to have a out of box thinking and explore new ideas. Also, they should develop a social responsibility so that they can contribute towards the society.
Ma'am, it was really great to meet you and to listen to your views on our interview series, that is Thoughts on Education. I thank you on behalf of the College Dunia team and wish you all the very best for future endeavors.
Thank you so much, Prof.